Okay, how are you, brother?
Okay, okay, it's good. It's fantastic. Where are you?
Yeah, right now I am in Tunki. It is one temple.
Okay,
Nearby.
but where are you living in India?
Oh, I live in Telangana, brother.
Okay, you are from Telangana. Okay, nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah, nice
How
to
is
meet you.
everything? It's quite well. It's going on.
Everything good, brother. Everything good.
Okay, and tell me
Mhm.
about your English spoken journey.
Yeah, my spoken journey is very good, bro. Nowadays I'm learning.
Yes, still I'm learning. No problem at all. It's good to see you in this way.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
How much has been you are learning English?
Oh, it's almost 1 year.
You are completed 1 year.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
exactly.
completed just 6 months. I want to
6 months.
complete
Okay,
18.
no matter. No matter how much time it will take, it's no matter. But what is the way we are learning, what we are consist about our matter, our topic purpose, that is matter. Otherwise,
Yeah,
no matter when you
yeah.
started, when you were learning stage, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'm learning with social media, brother. I'm not learning with institutions.
Okay,
Till now, I
doesn't
didn't
matter.
learn
Doesn't
institution.
matter you are learning from institute or you are learning from YouTube, because YouTube as a big platform, you can get lots of tutor over here. And if you talk about institute, there is no one can suggest you too much way, because there is also time limit. But here in YouTube platform, there is no time limit. Whatever when you want to learn, you can learn. That is the biggest platform, I can say. It is the biggest freedom to learn any language or anything, not for any
Yeah,
language.
of course, you are right, brother. YouTube is the biggest platform. In the
Hmm.
past, I have also learned so many things from YouTube, and
Hmm.
nowadays I am also a small YouTuber. I'm making YouTube
Okay,
videos like that.
okay,
Uh,
that's good. Actually, I'm
videos
also doing such
like
types of work, so it's really quite well to do such types of activity, because it's really benefit lots of friends, I can say.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, go
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay, where are you from, brother? I forgot to ask before.
Okay, okay. I'm from West Bengal.
Oh, you're from West Bengal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen your name in that group, but I never. We don't have any. We till now we don't have any conversation. Today we have
Yeah,
first
yeah.
conversation.
Yes, absolutely. It's the first conversation, and okay, it's no matter. So we
Hmm.
can talk easily, we can learn something new things through our conversation, and we can get result for our fluency purpose, because this is the way we can speak. I can say not daily basis, but if you talk to anyone in daily basis, so it's really improve a lot. Improve. I can say it's English language purpose. So it's really benefit.
Yeah, yeah, it is really benefit. That's why nowadays we are participating. We are learning so many things.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. So doesn't matter where you are and what is your work, what do you do, nothing is matter. Our matter is what we will do. What is our importance of life? What is the work we do? Then it's really benefit for our life. So you choose this platform, you choose spoken English journey. It's really benefit, really helpful, I can say, because I realized myself last time to till today. I learn a lot. I talk with many of my friends who is from India. Some of my friends are from outside of India, like they are from foreigner. So so this is the way we can speak, we can learn, and we can benefit for our side. So you are from Telangana. Uh, I think there's people are might well quite well in English. What is your opinion?
Yeah, you are right, brother. But not only from Telangana, you take all or India. You take
Mm-hmm.
any state, they are good in English because some people
No,
they're good. Who
okay,
have good practice, they are good. Who don't have any practice, they are not good. It is common point.
okay,
We can't say
okay.
Telangana people are good, West Bengal peoples are good like that.
No, I can't say like this. I can say that South Indian people, like Telangana, also in South in India.
Yes, of
So,
course.
so I heard a lot about South Indian people. They are quite well. They are okay in English to talk, but not everyone. But if you compare to any other state, then South Indian people are too much speak better in English, like Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, if uh, in your state. So that's I heard from news. That's I heard from people. So that's my question goes to you.
Yeah. You're right, bro. Some people they are better in English, good in English.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell me why? What is the main reason you were learning? What is the main reason?
Because I'm thinking I want to be in a good position in my future. That's why I'm learning
Mm.
English. Because do you know nowadays you take any company, they are hiring only who know English very well. That kind of peoples only. That's why I fix in my mind. I want to be in a good position. Uh,
Okay.
if I want to be in a good position, I want to improve my communication skills and English skills. Yeah,
Okay.
when we got locked down, that time I fix. I want to do
Okay.
some.
Okay. That's great. That's great.
Want to do something. That's why I joined one WhatsApp group. With that WhatsApp
Mm-hmm.
group, I find one other group. That is voice calling
Mm-hmm.
group. In that
Mm-hmm.
group, I did a lot of practice. That's why maybe nowadays I am able to speak little bit English. Yeah, maybe
No, no,
I'm
no.
able.
You were quite well. Don't think like this that you were a little bit not like this. Don't think yourself that you are not okay in English. But okay, it's okay that you are okay or you are not okay. But you are practicing or not. That is matter. Don't think
Yeah,
yourself that I'm little bit of English. No, don't think.
yeah. Finally, I got one private job is also with
Okay,
my.
okay.
Yeah, right now I got private job, but still I am practicing because I want to be in a good position like that.
That's great.
It
That's
is my
great.
yeah. Right now,
Definitely.
and as well as I'm making YouTube videos is also maybe I'm be a small YouTuber. One day I'm going to big YouTuber. I got more
Okay.
got more subscribers. Nowadays
Okay, definitely.
I have just 140 subscribers only.
Okay, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. But what is your commitment? What you are doing? That is showing in your channel. That is the way your channel will grow. That is, I realize over 1 year's learning, 1 year of working on YouTube platform, and 1 year of learning this skill. So need to consistency, need to speak better, need to speak fluent way. That is the way it's definitely working.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are right, brother. You are right. Everything depends on our uh, focus. What we are
Yes.
focusing like that.
Hmm.
If you are showing more interest, maybe you get anything. If you are not
Okay,
showing,
okay, okay.
maybe you can't get
Hmm.
anything
But
like
in
that.
your area there is also available too much date tree in
What
behind side.
is?
Yeah, date tree.
Ah, I tell in my native language we call this is kallu.
Okay, okay. But it's so small. If I tell this tree is too much smaller, in my side, there I can see it's too bigger. But in the footage, I can see there is small one. You can easily handle, grab it.
Yeah, some trees are very small, but some trees are very big,
Okay,
heavy.
okay,
Do you want
okay,
to see
okay.
heavy tree? Do you want to see?
Okay. What?
I'm trying to show victories is also for you.
Okay, okay, okay. No matter.
Yeah, it is big tree.
Oh, and now I can see. Now it's also big. This is
Mm.
big.
Because we have different types of trees.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why we are using all trees because we need that
Mhm, mhm.
drink.
Okay, okay, okay. Definitely, definitely.
They
It's
think,
also good.
they are
It's
happy to
also good. That juice, create gazari.
yeah, it is good for health and as well as it will give some.
Gajari. It's called gajari. It's called gazari.
I don't know,
It's
bro.
okay, okay. Because when it's warm out, it's absorb and it's create gazari. That is we can in Bengali gur, but in English gazari. I can say.
Okay, in Telugu we call kallu.
Okay, okay, okay.
Easy
Doesn't
kallu,
matter.
kallu,
Yeah,
చెట్టు
we
kallu.
get lots of benefit on that food because
In my
it's
native language, we
really
call
delicious.
kallu.
Okay, okay. So,
Yeah, we take
so,
it is very
mhm.
sweet. When we are trying to
Yes,
take
yes, yes.
time, very sweet.
Definitely,
Can't
definitely.
explain the sweetness.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. So, whenever you talk to anyone, do you use this place or do you use your house to talk with your friends?
Yeah, bro. For me, I don't have any particular place, particular time like that. If I have enough time, I'm trying to make anywhere my conversation with my friends. It is my
Okay,
habit.
okay,
Yeah.
that's great. That's great. Doesn't matter where you are and what is your position, but you are consistency about it. This, so it's the matter. So
Just
you
I
are
need
doing such a good
consistency
job. It's such a
for
good job. This is
as
really
per
benefit.
my opinion. I need one conversation with my friend. I want to post in my YouTube channel that conversation.
Okay, okay,
I,
fine.
I don't
But
as per
if you talk like this in beginning time, so no one can interested about for video making purpose. But if you ensure about this video making purpose, then it's better. But I have no problem to you upload or you can store. No problem. You can store and you can upload. No problem at all for me because I was familiar about this purpose because I talk with many of my friends, many of the tutor, many of the I can say foreign friends. I just interest to talk. That's why it's happened. Otherwise, why it's happened?
we need that type of confidence, brother, because we are not
Yeah,
doing any we are not doing robbery. Just we are talking English and we are providing knowledge for someone. Yeah, why we are
that's
feeling like
it.
that?
Yes,
Yeah,
but
that's it.
these
That's
types of
it.
atmosphere,
Like that.
who's have? So
Yeah.
that types of atmosphere people don't have because they are thinking another way. Their thought is something different. That's why it's not everyone. It's open. Or everyone not coming in front of camera. They are not showing up their face. It's bad because we are learner. We learn a lot. We speak better. So we need to speak. There is no need to only for phone call, no need to speak only for audio call. We need to video call because we see our face and we see our confidence for how to speak. So it is the best way. I can say it is the way of learning. It's my
Yeah,
opinion, it's my observation.
you are right. You are right. You are right. In the past, I have so many conversations. That's why today I am little bit confident.
Yeah,
Yes, still I am afraiding. I want to remove my shyness. I want to remove my afraidness. That's why
definitely,
I'm
definitely,
making video call conversation daily. If I have
definitely. You
to
will,
make conversation,
and you definitely speak better.
I'm habited
Yeah,
for English.
yeah. Definitely, you can upload, you can see yourself on that video, and I can see that you are doing such a good job that is important to for anyone because you are motivating someone, you are inspiring many people. So this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
great
So,
without any investment,
motivate
without
someone.
any yeah, without any paying any money. So it is the best way to learn, best way to speak, best way to achieve something new. Because without knowledge, without speaking confident, it's not possible. Because you didn't know me in before, but now we know. Now we are talking only for English language matter. This language give us that we can talk to each other. Otherwise, it's not possible. Because my
Yes.
native language is Bengali. Maybe your native language Tamil or Telugu. I don't know.
No,
But
no, no, no. My native language is Telugu. Maybe even single word you don't know about Telugu.
yes, that's that's that's
I
the
don't
reason
know.
we talk in.
Till now, I don't know Bengali language. I know little bit words only. I heard that
Yeah,
words in movie, like Ami Tumi
yeah.
Bala Bachu, like some words I don't I know, but I don't know
But it's not
Bengali.
possible to talk on that way. But if actually we are learning this skill, then we definitely speak better. Speak a better way because only the mediator of English language. So we definitely speak better way. So
Yes.
thank you. And if you see my channel, that is also available in the internet. There is the
Okay.
name of my channel is NEWTON Newton Spoken World. There is I also published my video on YouTube, just conversation video, and I feel happy to see myself over there. That's it.
Okay, brother. You post your channel in my inbox. I will try to visit
Okay.
your channel. Okay.
Okay, definitely, definitely.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for your valuable time for me.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you. See you.